that's nice. We're blasting past. From. Go ahead. No? Thank you.
Thank you.
You got it. A Mercedes in the back of a flatbed. Who would have thought? I thought those cars were so reliable. She doesn't check to see if there's cars. Car behind you! Car behind you! Watch out! Car behind you. Which one is this? Just gotta be careful. Can't trust anybody these days. Yeah. I just came in, I don't know anything. I'm just delivering food here. Hey, there you go. Have a nice day. Here we are. Food delivery? Food delivery? Okay. There you go. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Alright, let's head home. Good, I got a parking spot at least. There it is. There it is. Look at these brand new cars that they can't sell. Hyundais. Because no one's buying cars right now. How much is this one? 3920. It's a beauty. That Sonata, brand new. 30,920. Brand new. 31. How come an Elantra's more than a brand new Sonata? Maybe it's higher spec, higher, more options. How come an Elantra's more than a Sonata? 31,000, wow. And the Sonata's 3920, whatever it was. Wow. It's something else. Do what you gotta do, I don't care. I'm just here taking notes of the confusion. Like George Carlin, a note taker. Just take notes, watch and observe the chaos. That light was just red. Actually, sorry, my GPS is acting up again. There you go. Have a nice night. Thank you.